The Psychology of Money. Simple English A1, a 2-level summary based on the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Welcome to a story that can change your money life. Hello and welcome to Learn English through Science Channel. Imagine two people. The first person earns a lot of money. He has a big house, he has an expensive car, but one day he loses everything. The second person earns a normal salary. He lives simply. He saves money slowly. After many years, he becomes rich and free. Why did this happen? Is money only about intelligence? Is money only about hard work? No. Money is mostly about behavior. Money is about how you think. Money is about how you feel. Money is about your habits. Today, you will learn the most powerful lessons from this life-changing book. These lessons are simple. These lessons are powerful. These lessons can change your future. Are you ready? Let's begin. Money is not only about intelligence. Many people think rich people are very smart. Sometimes this is true, but sometimes this is not true. Some normal people become rich. Why? Because money is about behavior. Behavior means what you do every day. For example, person A earns $5,000 every month. He spends $5,200 every month. He is losing money. Person B earns $2,000 every month. He spends $1,500 every month. He is saving money. After many years, person B becomes rich. Not because he earns more, but because he saves more. Saving money is very powerful. Your past changes your money mind. Every person has a different life. Every person has a different story. Your life changes how you think about money. For example, a man who grew up poor may be afraid to spend money. He saves a lot. A man who grew up rich may spend money easily. Both people are normal. Both people are correct in their own story. There is no one perfect way. Your experience creates your money behavior. This is very important to understand. Luck and risk are always present. Sometimes people become rich because of luck. Sometimes people become poor because of bad luck. For example, a man starts a business. At the right time, the market grows. He becomes rich. Another man starts the same business, but the market falls. He loses money. Both men worked hard. But luck and risk change the result. This means you must always be careful. Never think success is only because of intelligence. Luck is always part of the story. Be humble. Be careful. Saving is more important than earning. Many people want a big salary. They want more money. But saving is more important than earning. A person who earns $10,000 but saves nothing is poor. A person who earns $2,000 but saves $500 every month can become rich. Saving creates freedom. Saving creates safety. Saving creates peace. When you save money, you feel calm. You are not afraid. You are ready for problems. Saving money gives you power. Freedom is the best thing money can give. Many people think money is for buying things, cars, houses, phones, clothes. But the best thing money gives is freedom. Freedom means you control your time. You can choose your life. You can say, I do not want this job. I want to rest today. I want to help my family. Money gives you this choice. This is true wealth. Wealth is not showing money. Wealth is having freedom. Being rich and being wealthy are different. This is very important. Rich means you have a lot of income. Wealthy means you have a lot of savings. A rich person can become poor fast. A wealthy person stays safe. For example, a rich man buys expensive things, he spends all his money, he becomes poor. A wealthy person saves money. He grows slowly. He becomes stronger every year. Wealth is quiet. Wealth is invisible. Wealth is powerful. Simple habits create big results. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be genius. You only need simple habits. For example, save a little every month, spend less than you earn. Be patient. Avoid big risks. These simple habits can change your life. Small actions create big results over time. Like planting a tree. At first, the tree is small. After many years, the tree is strong and big. Money works the same way. Patience is the secret power. Many people want fast money. They want success today. But real wealth takes time. Time is your best friend. For example, If you save $100 every month, it looks small, but after many years, it becomes big. Money grows slowly, like a seed. First, nothing happens. Then slowly, growth begins. Then suddenly, the result is big. Patience is powerful. Never stop. Avoid showing off. Some people want to show they are rich. They buy expensive things to impress others. But this is dangerous, because spending money does not create wealth. Saving money creates wealth. People see your car, but they do not see your savings. True wealth is invisible. You do not need to show it. Be calm. Be smart. Be patient. Control your emotions are connected. When people feel happy, they spend more. When people feel afraid, they make bad decisions. You must stay calm. Do not make fast decisions. Think slowly. Good decisions create good results. Calm people win in the long term. PhD, one final message. You learned powerful lessons today. Money is about behavior. Saving is powerful. Freedom is true wealth. Patience creates success. Simple habits win. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Your future can change. Starting today. Starting now. Continue the journey. If you want to learn more powerful money lessons in simple English, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, "I am ready to change my future." You will learn why some people lose everything, the biggest mistake people make with money, and the secret power of long-term thinking. Your journey to financial wisdom has started. See you in Part 2. Part 2, The Psychology of Money, Simple English, a 1 to a 2 level summary, based on the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The biggest money mistake most people make. Welcome back. Let me ask you a question. Why do some people work hard for many years, but still lose their money? Why do some people become rich and then become poor again? The answer is simple. They do not control their behavior. Money is not only about earning, money is about protecting. Money is about patience. Money is about thinking long-term. Today, you will learn the most dangerous mistakes people make with money and how you can avoid them. This lesson can protect your future. Let's begin. The danger of wanting more and more. Many people always want more money. This is normal, but sometimes this becomes dangerous. Let's see an example. A man has $100,000. This is a lot of money, but he wants $200,000. He takes a big risk. He loses everything. Now he has $0. Why did this happen? Because he was not satisfied. He wanted more and more. This is called greed. Greed can destroy your future. It is important to know when you have enough. Enough is powerful. Enough protects you. Enough gives you peace. Never risk everything. This is one of the most important lessons. Never risk everything. Never put all your money in one place, because risk is always present. Bad things can happen anytime. For example, a man puts all his money in one business. The business fails. He loses everything. But another man is careful. He saves money. He invests slowly. He keeps some money safe. He survives problems. He stays strong. Protection is more important than fast growth. Time is the most powerful tool. Time is more powerful than money. Time helps money grow. Let's see a simple example. Person A saves money for 40 years. Person B saves money for 10 years. Person A becomes much richer. Why? Because time helps money grow. Even small money becomes big with time. Time is like magic, but you must be patient. Do not stop. Do not quit. Let time help you. Compounding is a powerful secret. Compounding means money grows and then grows more. Money makes money. Then that money makes more money. This creates powerful growth. For example, you save $100. Next year, it becomes $110. Next year, it becomes $121. It keeps growing slowly, then faster. Compounding needs time, but it creates amazing results. This is how many people become wealthy. Not fast, but slowly. Stay calm when things go wrong. Sometimes money goes down. Sometimes investments lose value. This is normal. This is part of life. Many people panic. They sell everything. They lose money. but calm people wait. They stay patient. They understand this is temporary, and later they recover. Emotions can destroy your success. Calm thinking protects you. Always stay calm. Your lifestyle is very important. Many people increase spending when income increases. They earn more, they spend more, they save nothing. This is dangerous because spending grows, but savings stay small. Smart people control their lifestyle. They earn more, but they still save. They stay simple. They stay careful. This helps them become wealthy. Wealth is what you do not see. This lesson is very powerful. People see expensive things. They see cars. They see houses. They see clothes. But they do not see savings. Savings are invisible. Savings create real wealth. A simple person with big savings is wealthy. An expensive person with no savings is poor. Do not try to look rich. Try to be wealthy. There is a big difference. Being independent is true power. Money gives independence. Independence means freedom. You can choose your life. You are not controlled by money. This creates happiness. When you save money, you create independence. When you spend everything, you lose independence. Savings give you control. Control gives you peace. Peace gives you happiness. You do not need to be perfect. This is not true. You only need to avoid big mistakes. You only need good habits. For example, save regularly. Avoid big risks. Stay calm. These simple habits create powerful results. You do not need to be the smartest person. You only need to be consistent. Consistency wins. Long-term thinking wins. Short-term thinking is dangerous. Long-term thinking is powerful. Many people want fast success. They make risky decisions. They lose money, but patient people think long-term. They grow slowly. They become strong. Success takes time. Trust the process. Stay patient. Your future will thank you. Part 2. Final message. Today you learned powerful protection lessons. Do not be greedy. Do not risk everything. Time is powerful. Compounding creates wealth. Stay calm. Think long-term. Money success is not fast. Money success is slow and steady. Slow growth is strong growth. You are building your future step by step. Your journey is almost complete. You are learning powerful lessons. You are becoming smarter. You are becoming stronger. If you want to complete this life-changing journey, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, I will build my future slowly. In part 3, you will learn the most important lesson of all, the true meaning of wealth, and how you can live a happy and free life. See you in part 3. Part 3, The Psychology of Money, Simple English A1 to A2 Level Summary. Based on the book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, the true meaning of wealth most people never understand. Welcome back. This is the final part. Let me ask you one important question. What is real wealth? Is it a big house? Is it an expensive car? Is it a lot of money in your hand? No. Real wealth is something deeper. Real wealth is freedom. Real wealth is peace. Real wealth is control over your life. Today, you will learn the most important lesson about money. This lesson can change your life forever. Let's begin. Wealth is freedom, not showing off. Many people think wealth means showing expensive things. They buy big houses. They buy expensive clothes. They want people to say, "Wow, he is rich." But this is not real wealth. Real wealth is quiet. Real wealth is having money saved. Money you do not spend. Money you keep. This money protects you. This money gives you freedom. Freedom is the real goal. Control your time. Control your life. The best thing money gives is control over your time. Time is your life. If you control your time, you control your life. For example, if you have savings, you can choose your job. If you have savings, you are not afraid. But if you have no savings, you must work all the time. You feel stress. You feel pressure. Savings give you control. Control gives you peace. Peace gives you happiness. Some things are more important than money. Money is important, but money is not everything. Health is important. Peace of mind is important. Some people lose health to make money. Then they lose money to fix health. This is sad. Money should help your life. Money should not control your life. protect your health, protect your peace, protect your family. These are true treasures. Be humble and stay careful. Even rich people can lose money. Nothing is permanent. Life changes. The world changes. Always stay humble. Always stay careful. Never think you are perfect. Never take big risks. Protect what you have. Small steps are safe steps. Safe steps create your future. Your daily habits are very powerful. Small habits create big results. For example, saving a little every day, spending carefully, avoiding waste, being patient. These habits create wealth. Bad habits destroy wealth. Choose good habits. Your future is created by your habits. You do not need to impress anyone. Many people spend money to impress others. They want attention. They want respect. But real respect comes from character, from honesty, from kindness, from wisdom. You do not need to show your wealth. You only need to build your life. Focus on your goals. Ignore unnecessary opinions. Stay strong. Stay focused. Financial stress comes from lack of control. Many people feel stress about money. Why? Because they have no control. They spend everything. They live in fear. But people with savings feel calm. They feel safe. They feel ready. Savings reduce fear. Savings increase confidence. Savings create peace. Peace is priceless. Simple life, strong future. You do not need an expensive life. A simple life is powerful. Simple life means spend less, save more, avoid waste. Stay calm. Focus on what matters. This creates a strong future. Many wealthy people live simple lives because they understand the truth. Wealth is protection, not decoration. Be patient and trust the process. Everything takes time to grow. Skills take time to grow. Money takes time to grow. Do not rush. Do not panic. Stay patient. Trust the process. Small progress is still progress. Every day matters. Your future is growing now, even if you do not see it. The most powerful lesson of all. Here is the most powerful lesson. Money is a tool. Money is not the goal. The goal is peace. The goal is a happy life. Use money wisely. Save money. Protect money. Respect money. But do not love money too much. Love your life. Love your family. Love your freedom. This is true success. Final message. Your new money mindset. Now you understand the truth. Money is about behavior. Money is about patience. Money is about habits. Money is about control. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to start. Your future can change, one small step at a time, one good habit at a time. You are in control now. Your next step starts now. If you learned something valuable from this journey, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment this sentence, I choose freedom, not fear. Share this video with someone who needs this lesson. And remember, your future is not decided by luck. Your future is decided by your behavior. Start today. Your best life is waiting for you.